guys, today I'm showing my favorite toys.
Oh, you like that? Can you hold it up so we can see it? I mean, not that far up. I can't see that high. What does it do? Does it light up?
Maybe, nope. Yes.
Ah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Okay, what else you got?
Ghostbusters.
A Ghostbuster is a Slimer?
Yes.
And what does he do?
He sings and he just like it.
Ah, he makes noise when you pull his tongue out? Oh, that's nasty.
He breaks his teeth already. He just puts his tongue off and he just breaks his teeth.
Does he make different noises every time you pull it? Let it go. Pull it again. What else he does? Okay, let it go. That's funny. What is that?
A giant Hulkbuster.
Hulkbuster. Hold it up.
Very big.
Oh, what's that inside?
Iron.
Who?
Iron Man.
Iron Man? Oh, that's cool.
I got next toy.
What's the next toy?
The button. Just press the button and you just talk.
He talks? Let me see. Press the button again.
He said, I want to scan you now.
Oh, man, he's cool. He just makes noises.
That dude.
Let me see his face.
He get good.
That's cool. Okay, what's the next toy you got? He says Hulk smash.
Eat it, Hulk smash, coffee, and Coca-Cola.
No. Can you turn it around so I can see it? It's a red Hulk?
Yes.
Okay, let me see it. Move your hand off his face. Okay, that's cool. What does he do?
I got you. He turned to a... Oh, my legs hurt.
Can you, what does it do, Brody?
Turn to a car.
Oh, that's cool. Hold it up. You like that? Who got that for you?
Santa.
Santa got that for you? Oh, I like it. Oh, that's cool. I like it.
And this one lights up.
And that one lights up too?
Two of them.
Oh, wow. Oh, this is nice. Brock, is this your train set?
And this one.
Oh, wow, you got a lot of trains.
Do this on that one just today.
That's okay. I like your train set.
Those are all my favorite kid toys. Make sure you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
All right.
You don't know how much